Hi, I'm Mr. Kangas, and today we're going to be looking at Chapter 4, Section 5, Multiplying and Dividing Monomials. This section is actually kind of like a summation or a summary of what we've already discussed. Multiplying and dividing monomials utilizes a lot of stuff we learned in simplifying algebraic expressions. And it also utilizes a lot of stuff we learned in finding greatest common factor or factoring expressions. So, if you have two monomials, such as 12a squared b times 2a to the third b to the second c, as with everything we've done so far with monomials, you're going to do it in pieces. 12 times 2, multiply the numbers first, is 24. A squared times a to the third. If we recall, when you multiply variables together that have the same base, you add the exponents. So a squared times a to the third is the same as saying a to the 2 plus 3, or in other words, a to the fifth. This is because a to the second power means you're multiplying two a's. A to the third power means you're multiplying three a's. So if I'm taking two a's times that are being multiplied, if I take two a's that are being multiplied and multiply them by three a's being multiplied, total, I'm multiplying 5a's. It would look like this. There's a squared times a to the fifth, or a to the third. So here is a to the third, here is a to the second. If we multiply these two things, we end up with 5a's being multiplied together, which is a to the fifth. So the next step, b times b squared, which is b to the third. Nothing to multiply the c by, so it stays the same. So the answer to this question is 24, a to the fifth, b to the third, c. Let's do another example just to make sure we understand. If I have 3 a to the third b to the second times 4 a to the second b to the second. Again, take it in pieces. 3 times 4 is 12. A to the third times a to the second is a to the fifth, or in other words, a to the 3 plus 2. B to the second times b to the second is b to the fourth, or in other words, b to the second plus 2. And that is your answer.